I got it off. I got it apart. There's one end. There's the other end. Here's the U-joint itself is bad. You can see this end is bad. That end's bad. There was no bearings in there whatsoever. Here's the cap. Cap on one side. These are supposed to be in there in the cap, as you can see. Some in this one, but that was one of the good ones that I took off of this side. The other side here. These didn't have any in there, so it was just you know, wobbling where it's supposed to be. You know, well, and it's dry. You can see. I'll take this one out. Yeah, it's all dry in there. Anyway, I got it out. Yay! So I'll just get a new U-joint tomorrow. I'm not going to order it online because if it's the wrong one, then I got to continue to wait. So I'm just going to go up to like AutoZone. I'll be able to get one. I'll take the old one with me to make sure it's the right size. Okay, see you. Bye.